Welcome back. Today we're going through a dumbbell biceps curl and how I like to perform them. In a biceps curl, you probably have seen the bro in the gym who's swinging the dumbbells around, who he's probably feeling any muscle group except for his biceps. That's not how we're gonna do things. I'm gonna show you how I prefer to do the bicep curl. Obviously, you can do bicep curls with a variety of different equipment. I like using dumbbells, especially in this tutorial, because you get to work one side at a time. So if you have one side that's stronger, you're not compensating. If you're using dumbbells, each side has to work individually to get the work done. So in a biceps curl, I like to think about my shoulders being pinned down and back. I shouldn't have my shoulders rounding forward in that biceps curl. I want my shoulders pinned down and back. So I'm gonna reduce that variable as much as I can. If I've got my shoulder pinned, now I can shift more tension just through the biceps. You could do this movement standing, kneeling, seated. I prefer to do it seated because it's going to reduce or even eliminate the swing that a lot of people have when they do a curl because they just want to use bigger dumbbells and weights. So when I am sitting down, in my preferred way to do this, I like to focus on turning my pinky over. So it's almost like I'm pulling with my pinky, and by doing that, you're actually going to get a harder contraction out of your biceps. The primary function of the bicep is not to just bend your arm, but it's actually to turn your hand underhand. So by turning your hand underhand and pulling with your pinky, you're going to get a bigger squeeze and a harder contraction out of your biceps. So a few mistakes that I see in this movement is you have swingers where they're all over the place and they just want to hoist some weight. They want to let everybody know that they can curl the big weights. And the reality is the biceps are actually not huge muscles, and you don't have to haul a lot of weight to make them grow. Another mistake I see is that shoulder rounding or the elbows swinging around. You should imagine like your elbows are pinned in at your side as you extend and curl that weight up. Some shoulder flexion when your elbow migrates forward just a little bit is okay, but we don't want things to get out of control. And that would be the other top mistake I see is people don't feel their biceps. People will talk about how they feel their back or their shoulders. You shouldn't be feeling those in a biceps curl. You should be feeling your biceps. So that is the biceps curl. I like to do them with dumbbells and focus on turning that hand underhand. Let me know what your favorite variation is in the comments below, and make sure that you like the video, subscribe to the page, and let me know what you want to see next. We'll talk to you soon. Rapid Fitness!